Sam's got vision, steady and strong. Lucy's faith keeps us moving on. Cohen's growing faster than the Irish land. He's finding out who he is. Faith's got big dreams, bigger than ours. She knows we will always be here to support her. No street lights when the night comes down, just quiet stars all gathered round. Some days heavy, some days slow, but this is the life we chose to grow. We traded fast for real and true, for 2 soft mornings, Irish blue. Welcome home to Happy Acre Homestead. Welcome home to Happy Acre Homestead.
Right. It's not as big as the last one, Kath.
You say that's all about. Got them on the ball today. You know what it is.
That's what he said.
It's that woman's name this morning.
Oh dear.
Hey, God. I would have changed my name by default.
I don't know.
Anybody's got I've got loads of family with the name Punton. I said I'd have changed that name as well.
Too easy to be changed.
Yeah, especially if it was Mark.
So good job there's going to be a voiceover on this, isn't it? You'd have ruined my whole video. Oh dear me. I don't know. I don't know.
I know you don't know.
Oh, that's the wrong piece.
Well, I'm rumbling in this yellow Lego JCB. I'm 40 years old and my Dan's a giant sitting beside me. And the engine rattles my bum like dessert. While we're singing, don't forget to shovel if you want to go to work. My Dan's totally had a bloody hard day, but he's been good fun and bubbling and joking away. And the procession of cars stuck behind are getting all impatient and angry, but we don't mind. And we're holding up the bypass. Me and my Dan's having a top laugh. I'm sitting on the toolbox. And I'm so glad I'm not in school, boss. So glad I'm not in school. We pull over to let the tires pass and pull off again, speeding by the summer green grass. And we're like giants up here in our big yellow Lego digger, like Zoids or Transformers or maybe even bigger. And I want to transform into a Tyrannosaurus Rex and eat up all the bullies and the teachers and their pets. And I'll tell them I'll make my dance behave, Baracas suckers. Yeah, we're holding up the bypass. So, me and my dance having a top laugh. I'm sitting on the tool dock. So, and I'm so glad I'm not in school. Boss, so glad I'm not in school. Then we're holding up the bypass. So, me and my dance having a top laugh. I'm sitting on the toolbox. So, and I'm so glad I'm not in school. Boss, I'm glad I'm not in school. Said I'm Lucy, I'm 40, and my dance Lucy drives me around in his Lego JC. I'm Lucy, I'm 40, and my dance Lucy drives me around in his Lego JCB. Yeah. Lego JCB. And we're holding up the bypass. Me and my dance having a top laugh. And I'm sitting on the toolbox. And I'm so glad I'm not in school. I'm so glad I'm not in school. I said I'm Lucy, I'm 40, and my dance Lucy drives me around in his Lego JCB. I'm Lucy, I'm 40, and my dance Lucy drives me around in his. I'm Lucy, I'm 40, and my dance Bruce Lee drives me around in his Lego JCB. I'm Lucy, I'm 40, and my dance Bruce Lee drives me around in his Lego JCB. Ooh, 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 ah, ah. Hey! 40 winters have turned the soil, leaving lines where the sun used to toil. Lucy sits by the kitchen light, sorting pieces in the middle of the night. Ties stick yellow like a harvest moon, a tiny promise that is coming soon. Her fingers steady though the hour is late, building a vision on a cardboard plate. One small gear and a plastic beam, the skeletal frame of a heavy dream. The instructions spread like a weather map.
I fixed it, Tony.
House is quiet in a winter nap.
A 7-year-old wouldn't be able to do that though.
And a pivoting arm to bring a balance to the frozen farm. She counts the studs and she feels the weight.
Oh, that bloody fits now. Of course it does. What a donut.
It is a child's toy in a grown woman's hand, but it holds the blueprint for the broken land. Every brick is a stone they will move away. Every notch is a debt they will finally pay. Building strong for the homestead ground, where the roots of the cedar are tightly bound. A yellow excavator for the man she knows, to dig the trenches where the water flows. Oh, Dan will take the iron and she will take the lead, planting a future like a mustard seed. Small yellow shovel in a world of clay, to carve a home where the shadows stay. Oh. 40 years to understand the grit, how the jagged edges of a life can fit. She snaps the bucket to the lifting boom, clearing a path in the crowded room. No more talk of the things they lack, just the golden plastic on a velvet black. A pocket-sized titan for the rocky field, waiting for the harvest that the earth will yield. The ridge is steep and the brush is thick, but the plan is solid as a clever trick. She sees the garden and she sees the fence, making the struggle start to make some sense. Down a mountainside with a tiny yellow marble as a steady guide. It is a child's toy in a grown woman's hand, but it holds the blueprint for the broken land. Every brick is a stone they will move away. Every notch in the debt they will finally pay. Build it strong for the homestead ground, where the roots of the cedar are tightly bound. A yellow excavator for the man she goes to dig the trenches where the water flows. Oh, there will fate the iron and she will take the lead, planting the future like a mustard seed. Small yellow shovel in a world of clay to carve a home where the shadows stay. Ha, ha, ha.
Well, see, I don't know where the beginning is.
Just take the whole thing apart and restart, but just
Keep that
Do it
bit
right.
together. Well, that makes me sad, though.
well, you know what you should
Well,
do.
you should have done it properly the first time then, shouldn't you,
Correct.
silly girl?
You're right about one thing now.
Because you rushed.
I didn't rush, it's because your mother kept talking to me.
Oh, blaming it on someone else.
And distracting me.
The defenceless lady who's watching Emmerdale or whatever, probably.
No, it's not watching Emmerdale.
I need a weaver. I mean, sorry, you probably didn't need to just cut that down. You just stare at the camera.
Breathe. Look at the issues you caused, Dad.
I'm just saying.
Indeed.
Joe at the end of it should be like, thank God we changed it around.
Thank God.
Thank God we changed it around because now I can move it around and make the bucket go up and down like it was designed by the Lego people to do.
It could be worse. You could have emailed a 7-year-old saying, she done it wrong.
Yeah.
It'll be turning. Make it
Do you realise, Mrs., that that's meant to move? The silly woman.
It would have been also 6.5.
It would have been a 7-year-old. It would have been.
It would have been like 4.
I set fire to the rain.
On the train. You messed with the piano already, Mum.
No, it's because I'm having to.
Pick it up.
Yes.
Sorry, I've got a video clip over on the new video of Lucy setting up the Rio link.
I don't know who was talking to then. There was 7 names. Primary,
Yeah, we're setting up the Rio link. Told us to insert the SIM card. It took her 3 days to figure out where the SIM card went.
Took her 3 days.
The actual rubber, the rubber connection on the
I
camera
couldn't see
said
it.
SIM card inserted
I
here on it.
couldn't see it.
Did you have your glasses on, Mum?
She
No.
has got her glasses on now, so she can use that as a excuse as well.
Crutch.
Picking on the disability.
She's not disabled.
Nothing else with her for washing.
No, I don't think so.
I set fire to the rain. Watch it
Something
burn.
on the rain. What did she do to you? What did the rain do to you?
Da, da, da. Da, da, da.
Just dirty.
I don't know, probably. Because he never cleans up, you know.
I think Dan just didn't want me to go in and watch The Traitors later, so we thought,
What, you mean
right.
at 5:46? You still can't get that done in a space of what, 3 hours?
You think it's 8 o'clock? You're still going to be watching The Traitors? Wait, no. Still going to be doing Lego?
I set
What we're
fire.
gonna have to do in this as well is do a sponsored thing for you for Mum's washing machine as it goes round in the background.
Why?
Because while you were setting up the real link, I can just hear the washing machine going round and round.
Round and round.
Round.
Round and round. Ooh, careful, Faye.
Oh no.
I've lost a bit.
We could probably have it. It's probably just shoved in another bit. No sibling.
Feels like-
Nope. It's one of these.
Got a skinny.
It's not those because they're in wheels.
Okay. You're welcome, Tony.
What can I say except
You're
Oh.
welcome.
you're welcome? One of these.
Lucy.
One, two.
I'm trying to do Lego. It's not
No,
going
it's not
very
me.
well.
Look, I've been doing videos. Don't blame it on me.
It's the like you know how it does that thing where you track the
You
face.
better know.
No, because they're
Damn.
in wheels.
Dad,
Oh, it might be actually.
you know how it does the thing where it
Yeah,
tracks
it
the
is, yeah.
Oh my god, Dad!
Because there's three
Yes,
of those
yes.
and one missing, so you've got the one there, you've got
Yeah,
three there.
Daddy.
She did, isn't she?
Do you know how it does that thing where it tracks the face on the camera? It's like locks it onto that doll in the window.
Oh God.
I'm not even kidding. That's terrifying.
Creepy.
Where's my bit gone now? Is that what I've been building? Is that it? For God's sake.
There you go, it's locked onto Mum's face.
I don't want it locked onto my face. Can you see the Legos?
Yeah, you can see the Legos. It's fun, actually, but whatever. What do you want in it?
Right, here's this brown thing.
Brown thing.
Shut up. Here's this brown thing.
This is our domestic style.
I'll put
Lego diggers.
Ring the police.
I don't think it's 999. It's not. Is it 999? That's 999. That's America. Probably like 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Or leprechaun.
It's funny watching your mum try and pick up the SIM card with her nails.
SIM card. Just play with Lego.
I'm glad I amuse you, Daniel.
Someone's got to.
And then she put it in the SIM card holder. And then she dropped it.
She's even huffing and puffing her nostrils.
Watch. She turns it over and drops it. Alright. That was your one. That's their sleep card.
Idiot.
So very nice.
Do you know what you should do, Mum? You should message White Fox and be like, "Hi, Miss White Fox. I want a White Fox jumper in every bloody video that I put on YouTube. Please can I have a free one. But also, because of the Holly Jolly season, can we send a whole tracksuit for us all, please? Here's her address."
That would be nice, wouldn't it?
It would. It'd be great.
Back off.
Because the damage you created close to that sprocket there.
It's a piece of plastic, Dad.
Yeah, no, it's a sprocket.
There's absolutely no damage.
To this.
I don't know how it's meant to be used.
Oh, you're not stressing now.
Yeah.
It's snowing again.
Is it? God damn.
Quite heavy actually.
Oh God.
Very heavy.
No, no, thank you.
Bastard. Pickle.
Oh,
Cool.
you look like Jack Frost. Well, that can't be. Yeah.
Oh, man.
Can I help you with anything?
No.
Does anybody want a nice English man? I mean, he's good at some things.
I'll explain to you how Lego works.
At other things, when
It-
he's
it- it
when
moves
he's
up and down now,
correct,
look.
it's really bleeping annoying. But what can I magic moves like it's meant to? You fucking Egypt. Quit. I can build houses better than I. Oops. I can build houses better than I can build Legos. Ugh. Can't get the. Ah, there we go. That was Dan's bum.
A box of plastic stones sat upon the floor, a relic from a season 7 years before. The instruction manual was a map of faded lines, tracing back the movements of forgotten times. The first attempt was heavy with the weight of gold, a yellow machine that the years couldn't hold. Pieces scattered wide like a puzzle in the rain, waiting for a steady hand to try it once again. The gears were mesh and the joint stayed stiff. A mountain made a box with a jagged cliff, but she looked at the wreckage with a quiet eye, refusing to let the heavy lifting pass her by. The color of the sun in a dusty old tray, a miniature giant ready for the play. The tracks were waiting for a path to be clear, moving past the struggle and the failure she feared. She built a tower out of patience and light, turning the morning into the edge of the night. Lucille's skin were standing right by her side, on a sea of plastic where the dreams collide. The yellow day garages from the basement dust, in the circle of the family is where she puts her trust. The second time around is the charm of the soul, when the broken parts finally become a whole. She built a tower out of patience and light, turning the morning into the edge of the night. Lucy's skin were steaming right by her side, on a sea of plastic where the dreams collide. The yellow digger rises from the basement dust, in the circle of the family is where she puts her trust. The second time around is the charm of the soul, when the broken parts finally become a whole. 7-year-old challenge is a formidable ghost, but she found strength when she needed it most. It wasn't just the plastic or the way the pieces fit, it was a steady heart and the fire she lit. They leaned across the table with the guiding word. The softest encouragement was the only thing heard. The hydraulics are snapping into their proper place, reflecting the victory written on her face. The scooper is ready to move the heavy load down the hallway, carpet on a make-believe road. What was once a burden is now a sturdy prize, snatched by the sparkle in her tired eyes. The finish line is solid and the work is done underneath the warmth of her domestic sun. The yellow ticker stands as a testament of will, while the rest of the house grows remarkably still. She built a tower out of patience and light, turning the morning into the edge of her night. Lucy's gear was standing right by her side on a sea of plastic debit trees collide. The yellow digger arrives from the baseline dust in the circle of the family's where she puts her trust. The second time around is the charm of a soul, and the broken parts finally become a whole. She built a tower out of patience and light, turning the morning into the edge of a
Welcome home to Happy Acre Homestead, where the air feels clean and the days feel braver. Off-grid hearts and wide open skies, learning how to live, learning how to try. From County Roscommon, so we stand, building dreams with our own hands. If you're chasing peace or starting over, you're welcome here at Happy Acre Homestead.
In Happy Acre Homestead, we're living our dream. With every coffee pot, we feel like a team. Thanks for being part of our story, our crew. Join us, let's make this place even more true. Thank you for the support, it means so much. Like, subscribe, ring that